You know, when it comes to Thanksgiving, we all know the star of the table is the turkey, or maybe it's the holiday ham for your family. It's all about tradition. But it's also a great time to put produce at the center of the plate to start or maybe maintain those healthy eating habits.
And for me, the star is not the turkey. I'm gonna say the star is the stuffing, but you know, the good recipe is a great place to start to get nutrition. We have education specialists at Meijer who spend hours developing ways to deliver the deliciousness while still keeping it healthy. Delicious, healthy, we're here for it. Kelly McHugh, she's one of the specialists. She's got a couple of ideas for us here. Everything actually looks delightful, and I can't wait to talk all about this.
Smells good, I know that.
Right?
Michelle, you are in luck because we have a cauliflower stuffing. So this is kind of a twist on obviously our traditional where we would normally use bread.
Yes.
This is going to be helpful for our friends and family who may be diabetic or celiac to be able to still have that stuffing experience, but without the extra carbs or gluten within it. We've got all of these great herbs that'll kind of bring those flavors through, as well as a lot of color to make the dish beautiful.
It has all of the flavors. It tastes just like, and I'm also going to a vegan's house for Thanksgiving. So like, this is also vegan too.
Definitely.
So, I mean, you gotta have those options for everybody,
As soon as you have, as long as you got that sage and that rosemary, it's kind of what makes the stuffing happen, right?
And roast cauliflower, oh my jam.
Yeah? You liking that? That is all you. This is all me. Because this is pistachios and honey and feta and all my faves.
And carrots,
I love this.
beautiful carrots.
Yes.
Yes, a roasted carrot with whipped feta dip. I am going to actually need your guys' help to finish this dish.
Not a problem. Oh, I thought you were going to say eat it.
Well, you can taste
too.
it.
Okay.
That too. So we've got pistachios, a little bit of parsley, and some honey. So dress it up exactly how you would at home.
Oh, well, that would be a lot of pistachio.
Perfect. Perfect. I don't see any issues with that.
There we go.
So the whipped feta on the bottom is the feta, Greek yogurt, and then a little bit of lemon zest. So it's going to kind of have that tangy flavor. When we add the roasted carrots, the honey, the pistachios, it's going to bring that sweetness through.
Okay.
So we kind of get a little sweet, savory dish. Might be something different than we normally see at our holidays with the predominantly savory or the predominantly sweet. So kind of some fun flavors here.
And it's so pretty. I mean, can we just look?
You guys did a
look at
fantastic
this?
job.
A little zhuzh at the end, but that is gorgeous. So roasting the carrots, you just throw them in a, just peel them, throw them in a roasting pan, and do them up.
About 25 minutes.
Okay, so do you put anything on them before you roast them?
A little bit of salt and pepper and some thyme.
Okay.
Yep.
Perfect. No oil or anything else. You just throw them in there?
A little bit of olive oil, not too much, just to make sure that they are able to roast, but just enough to keep things moist and flavorful.
Absolutely.
Really wishing I had a fork right now. All right.
Are you just gonna stick that in your mouth?
I will leave this for you.
I know, right? Okay, and you always need stuff for the kids. We did a kids craft for Thanksgiving, and this can fit both the things. It can be a craft. It can also be a fun thing for kids to eat.
I'm gonna hold them
Here
up.
is our turkey in our produce-themed recipes. Exactly like Michelle was saying, this can be really fun for the kids to kind of keep them occupied as you manage all of the other tasks to prepare for for the holiday season.
Right? You always need a job for the kids to do.
Pluck one of those flowers.
There you go.
Or feathers, I should say.
Poor turkey.
Poor turkey.
Oh my gosh.
Juicy. Yummy, yummy. So
love this.
Fruity and cute.
Exactly.
Yeah, I like it.
Fruity, cute, all of the veg, taking everyone's dietary restrictions into account. So important for that holiday. Make everyone feel included and loved, right?
Yeah. Yep. Bringing a little bit of nutrition into the holiday and some fun flavors along with it.
Absolutely.
So if people want these recipes, they want to learn more, you guys have a plethora of knowledge to share with the shoppers, with the viewers.
Yeah, if you want to learn more about our Meijer dietitians, you can text HEALTH to 75049. That'll give you a link to our Nutrition by Meijer page where you will be able to look at our bios, see if you are interested. We also have some free mini sessions coming up in December, along with a load of cooking classes on every Thursday of December. So feel free to check out our website and tune in for those as well.
So more than just a nice handy cookbook to have, that we go into that website, but workshops and classes too. You can get the skills.
I mean, I'm going to tell you right now is the time to start thinking about how you're going to make healthy habits part of your 2026. Start implementing. Now is the best time to start, right?
Yep, small steps build to big success.
I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Kelly, for being here. We appreciate you.
Thank you both as well.